Hi there, welcome to the test shop here at Saws UK. This is our Comet 250. It has two speeds, a slow speed for more solid materials and a high speed for profiles. If you buy this machine as a single phase unit, maybe you've got it in use in your home or garage, you would have it as a single speed. This is perfectly adequate for most jobs, but with the two speeds, it gives you a little bit more flexibility, and two speeds you will get that on a 415 three-phase machine. As you can see, the machine's fairly small. I'm quite tall, but I think, Abby, you'll find it's about the right height for you.
Yeah, that's fine.
On the back of the machine there's a simple lift pump for the coolant, which you can easily maintain and clean. The coolant tank is here, that comes apart for cleaning. This is just the end stop that comes with the machine. Obviously you can make a longer one, you can buy roller tracking with end stops if you want to make it, cut longer pieces. It's all up to you, it's all on the options list. Hopefully from this angle you'll see the trigger stop here, which is like a dead man's handle for the operation of the machine, and the two speeds, as I mentioned earlier, slow and fast. The vise is a double clamp vise. That means that it clamps the work securely here, and there's a little outrigger arm here which clamps the offcut. That means that when you've cut through the work, instead of breaking off and leaving a nice little burr underneath, which you then got to clean off, it'll hopefully hold that material long enough that it won't end up with that burr. And of course, if it doesn't, you can adjust it here, so you can get it so that it really is nipping the offcut. As you can see, there's a mitre scale here. You can go right round to 45 degrees and lock it in position with this handle here. I've got a piece of pipe in here at the moment. The blade is a T6, that's 6 millimeters between one tooth and the next. Quite a coarse blade. I'll probably, if I was cutting this pipe all day long, I'd use something slightly finer, but for the purpose of this demo, that's the blade that's on it. There's no coolant on the machine at the moment. I've just sprayed a bit of coolant on the blade just to demonstrate it, and you'll just see how fast it all is. And that's it. So this is the smallest machine in our Comet range. We do much bigger machines, of course. We do a large range of bandsaws also. If you want to do a test cut, you're welcome to our showroom, bring your material with you. If you have no time, send us some of your material. We will cut it on the machine and send you the pieces back. Also, we will send it with a video so that you can actually see your material being cut with the video. We also do roller tracking and measuring for our machines, and all the blades that you might require for any kind of application. Our free phone number is 0800 521 292. That's 0800 521 292. Thanks for watching.